So we're gonna make burritos al pastor, and the ingredients you're gonna need are your burrito tortillas, onion, tomato, rice, lettuce, beans, and the meat, of course. We're gonna start by doing the beans. This is gonna take the longest, so we're gonna start this. And then I'm gonna put water to the top. It doesn't have to be filtered water, it's gonna be boiling, so. And we're gonna put it on medium, like medium high. 2 cloves of garlic in there and some salt. You're gonna have to add more salt and water as they go. While that's going, it's gonna take like an hour. I'm gonna make some rice, red rice. First, I'm gonna add some oil. And then I measure it out with a little cup because then you need, like you'll need more water or something. So I'll do 1 of rice. So 1 of these into there. I'm just gonna wait till it heats up. So now that the oil is hot, we're gonna put 1 of these. And we're gonna mix it around until it's a golden brown color. Just don't let it burn. So for the rice, I add 1 tomato and like a little less than half an onion. And I don't have any more garlic, so I'm just gonna add garlic powder, and it still tastes the same. But you do want to add a garlic in there, like a clove of garlic. For seasoning, 1 tablespoon of this. And the important part is you gotta add, for every 1 of these that you add of rice, you have to add 2 of these. 2 of these to the thing. Probably won't even fit. That much. Well, actually, we're gonna switch it to the big one, to this one, because it won't fit. And then we're gonna come over here and blend it. So once it's golden brown, as you can see, we're not gonna let it burn. We're gonna add our little mixture. I've seen people leave it at high or put it on low right now, but I wait till it boils on high, and then when it boils, I'll put it on low. But we're gonna cover it. So once it boils, we're gonna put it on low heat. So next we're gonna start on the meat, since we got the things that take longest out of the way. I'm gonna add some oil. I got this meat. I get 2.5 pounds. Okay. So to this meat, I don't season it at all, because if you're familiar with this type of meat, it's already seasoned, it's already prepared. It's just basically prepared beef. So it's already marinated and all that, so you don't have to season it. The flavors are in there. That's why you make sure this meat, where you get it from, is good, because they add the flavor. So for the salad, I like to put, I like to do tomato, onion, and lettuce. You can add cilantro, all that. 2 half a lettuce. Once they all lift like that, I'm gonna put them on a high heat and let it boil, boil, boil. And don't worry about it like eating up the water, because you're gonna add more. So I'm gonna add water to them now, because see how it like absorbed all the water. I'm gonna put one of these, and then that should be okay. And then you're probably gonna have to add more salt, but that's when they're done. And then you let it boil at a medium heat. Let it boil for like 30 minutes, and then they're gonna be done. So now that your water is like this like brownish color and they look like this, they are ready to serve and ready to eat. I've done on 35 minutes on a medium heat, and they are ready, and I'm going to show you how I serve my burrito. So now we put the big ass tortilla on there. So the rice is ready. It was ready a long time ago. We're going to put it in. I forgot sour cream, so forgive me. And then we're gonna do the beans. Then flip the other tortilla. And then we're gonna add some meat. I know your mouth is watering. And then we're gonna add our little salad. This is for him, or else I would, if I had it for me, I would add hot sauce and then chiles and vinagres. But he doesn't like spicy, so we're gonna skip on that. And now we're gonna roll.